This is Rovelyn de la Cruz Alvarez from BSED English 1A. And for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Here. Are you guys ready? I guess. Let's get it on. Before we start, you need to know and understand the faces and the cube. So the cube has 6 faces, or it is called sides, and it has 3 pieces: the centers, the edges, and the corners. The centers always stays to its position, and it serves as a guide for us to solve a face, while the edges are those who have 2 colors, while the corners are located at the corners. That's 3 colors. And you need also to be familiar with the moves that we're going to use: the right algorithm and left algorithm. Left and right algorithm contains 4 moves. In Tagalog, it is taas, tulak, baba, hila. Yes, it is. So, the method that I'm going to teach with you guys is beginner's method, or layer by layer method. So let's start. In order for us to solve a bottom cross, we need first to make a flower. If our base is white, then our flower would be at the center of yellow. Okay? So here it is. We have our flower. Then we just need to match this to its center and down. Next, match it down, match down, match down. So we already solved the bottom cross. Next is the bottom corner. For the bottom corner, guys, we need to find a corner that have a white color like this, and match the 2 colors to the 2 centers. Okay. And do the right up. That is hard. It is so simple to. It is how simple to arrange a cube. So here it is. We arrange our bottom corners, and we completely arrange the first layer. Next is the second layer. So for the second layer, we need to find a edge that don't have a yellow color. Like this is the blue and orange. Blue and orange match it to the. We're going to the right side. If we're going to the left side, guys, just put this to the right side and do left algorithm. Okay, then here it goes. Do it again for the other side na naman. there is a two edges. Okay. And then this one. So we completely arrange the second layer. Next is the top cross. We need to make a top cross. We already have our small L. Okay. Then move the cube 90 degrees, clockwise 90 degrees, and do the right egg. So we already have our cross. Next to solve is our top corners. So we need to find a oriented corners. In this case, it is already oriented, so there's no need for us to do some moves. But for those who encounter not oriented sides, and so there's only a two oriented and not two oriented, just face the two oriented to your right hand, and the not oriented would be at your left hand, and do the three right algorithm and 3 left algorithm. Then you will have this. So next, we're going to twist the corners. Turn it and here. So in this case, these steps are repetitive, but you need to have exact moves. Just do the right algorithm until the yellow will be down. Okay, then turn it, do the right egg again, and do right egg again. So we already solved the whole cube. Supposed to be in solving top edges, you need to use the moves: one right algorithm, one left algorithm, then do the right algorithm again 5 times, and 5 left algorithm again. Then you will completely solve the entire cube. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope my video is useful for you to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!